Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the lazy loading of routing in REACTJS. How we can achieve this lazy loading concept in this video. What is the purpose of lazy loading that we will see here. That means here let's go to this application. Whenever the our application is loading, it is taking some time. How we can see that one here? Just click on this refresh button, right click on this and click empty cache and hard reload. Then it is going to show that bundle.js how much time it is taking. So let's check it once again how much time it is taking. Bundle react.js, so 835 milliseconds it is showing. So generally if you refresh it, as it is showing normal loading time, but we need to compare with this empty cache and hard reload. So how much time it is taking? 692 milliseconds initially. So what is bundle.js? Bundle.js means our entire application it is going to performing by using this. Just look here, React. If you build this our application, how it is going to appear? It is going to build like a webpack. It is save as index.js. That means finally it will be converted into, just look here, public index.html. Our entire application becomes now single page application, like it will become like a one HTML file. So entire application it is going to store as a one file. So that is the webpack, that we can call it as webpack bundle. This is a bundle.js. So this we can call it as this JS file becomes the bundle.js. So entire application becomes single JS, single HTML, single CSS. It will convert it like that only. How it is going to convert here? Just go through this. You can use this command, that is npm run build. So if you with this, it will be converted into one file. That means one file means one is JS file, one is a HTML file, one is CSS file. These three will be available for entire application. In that scenario, the entire build application it is going to load in the browser. Just if you refresh that, entire part it is going to load as a single, that means a single HTML, single JS, single CSS files. So entire part will be loaded in the browser. So while it is loading, by using this lazy concept, lazy loading, only particular home page only it is going to load. Remaining pages will be loaded whenever we are going to click or use. At that time only it is going to load. So that means instant loading we can give some pages. After loading this one, whenever you want those, you can use that to instantly. At that time we can load those. That means at that time we don't want to load all the pages, only required page, limited pages only we can load while we are loading the first time application. So that means we'll load entire, load in the sense everything code is available, but loading in the browser, which page we need to load. Some pages we can load instantly, some pages at the time of utilizing, only we can use those. So how we can use those at the time of utilize? At the time of utilize pages, we can apply the lazy loading concept, lazy loading method we will give for that. Then it will act like that only. That means to improve our application performance wise, we load only few pages at the loading of time. after loading our application, then whenever you are going to click some kind of pages, those will be loaded at that time. How we can manage this at that time, how to load? By using lazy method we can load those, that we are going to see here. We'll create one products, RAFCE, it's ready with us. Then go to that app, it is a header, go to header part, we'll include that, Control C and paste it here. Here we need to change the names, products like products, and URL path we need to change that, product. And this product, if you click on these products now, it is showing the products. If you click on products, it has to go to the app router. So that means when you click these products, the reaction should be shown here. So this reaction part is that app router. Go to the app router and copy something here and paste it here and rename that with the products. What we have here, products, that is product, Control C and apply that, Control V. If you apply that products, then use that products only here, and same thing here as products. So we need to import that products, so import it. So when you click on that, it has to show that products, yeah, products is showing, it's fine. Now initially how it is going to load, here we did not apply any lazy loading, this entire bundle is loading in the browser. So entire loading bundle time it is taking 7.711 milliseconds. So if you want do something here, React fragment, just take one more div within this lorem, Control Z, lorem 3000 or 4000 or 5000 words if you want, Alt Shift F. Then this much of paragraphs are available. So now it becomes how it is going to show. Just again 7.11 becomes now, reload it. How much time it is in? 7:11, again reload it. Refresh it and reload this empty cached. So how much time it is taking? 763 milliseconds. So it is the 763 milliseconds. This entire application is loading at a time. So we don't want to load entire application at a time. Some we need to give some exemptions. Here what we can do in the app router, just we'll follow that lazy loading concept. Const products equals to lazy, actually a react dot lazy method we need to call. Already React downloaded, I mean imported, that's why directly I am using. In this we need to pass one function as a parameter, that is callback function. Directly we can import here what we required within double quotes dot slash. What we have here, pages, within the pages what the page name, that is product, here products. Then go to this lazy, already imported here, and these products already it was there, we need to keep it in comment line. Then go to our application and just refresh this and click on products. What is going to happen? Click on products, it is giving error. That means while it is loading, no, it is a special case. So while it is loading, we need to give some here some kind of suspense for this. sus suspense, and keep it that products above that. In the suspense means while whenever you click on the products, no, it is going to load because it's a heavy heavy kind of page, some kind of things are there like images, videos, something need to download, or to it is taking time to load. That's why that we can call it as suspense. While it is suspense, no, we need to give some delay for that. Fallback equals to, we have to give here some delay. For that purpose, we'll give some kind of, we need to grab the intention of that. So just look here, go to home and click on products. Here initially it is showing some kind of loading, no? Here if you want to see that, you can see from here, slow 3G. Go to home page and click on products, click on products, just refresh it and click on products. Now it is in slow loading, nothing. Okay, now set it to slow 3G, click on products, just immediately look here at that, in this place products loading is showing, no? So after some time it is loaded and showing. That is the meaning of suspense. While it is loading, huge component, it is while it is loading, no, we need to engage with some name like loading something. So in this way we need to manage that. That means while you are initially our application is loading, remaining row, all the pages, these all the pages load as usually, but this products page will not load instantly. Whenever you click on that products, then only it will activate and execute at that time in this time only, not the loading time. Loading time means initial application loading, at the time remaining routes will be loaded except these products. Whenever you click on that product, then only it is loading, because if you follow this concept, no, lightweight components will load in the initial loading, and remaining heavy components we can keep it as a lazy load components and keep them in suspense, so that lightweight components will load first initially to run up your application. After, whenever you want to click, if you want to utilize any kind of things after loading, you can utilize those like products. That means remaining are lightweight, instantly they can load in the browser. So products only link is available, whenever you click on that, then only it is going to load. Until unless these are all are in ready with the browser only, except these products. Whenever you click this product, that and that time only it is going to load. That's why this kind of heavy components, if you want to maintain, remaining will be loaded instantly at the load of our application. Remaining will be loaded whenever you are utilizing those, at the time only those will be utilized. That is the main advantage of that one. So let's verify this again here. See here, bundle time, it is taking so much of time. Let's remove this. .38. So time will be reduced. Time will be reduced at the time of loading. Just look here. Click on home button, refresh it. Normal loading is 302 because it is not loading. remaining links loaded, but products not loaded. When you click on that products only, it is load in this moment only. That is the main advantage of that lazy loading. So that's it, friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.